same farm that the tractor next year is going to be. Okay, wait a minute on the grain cart. Got a roll tart with it. How much are you? 25, 25, 25, 20. Call 5, 15. I can call 5, 15, 15, 15, got 15, now 17, 5. I get 15, 17, 5, I'll get 5, 5. I get 15, 17, 5, I'll get 5, 5. Now $20,000, but I get 20 here, but I get 20. I get 17, 5, but I get 20, but I get 20, but I get 20, 20, 20. I get 17, 5, but I get $20,000, but I get $20,000 Deere, well worth the money, but I get 20, but I get 20. I get 17, 5, but I get 18, 5. 18, 5, I'll get 5, but I get 5. She brought it in to sell, 18, 5. 18, but I get 500, but I get 5, but I get 5, but I get 5, give me 5, but I get 5, but I get 5. 18, 5, but I get 5, but I get 5, but I get 5, but I get 5, anymore, but I get 18, 5. 18, 5, but I get 5, but I get 5, but I get 5, but I get 5. There's a cart worth the money. 18, 5, and it else. Here we go, 18, 5. So, raiding your way, 17, 5. 52, 22. Now we got a John Deere 8400, a year 97. It's got the power, I gotta get there. Only 5,450 hours, okay. Hey, look at all the weights, yep, dual it up. 97 miles, wipe of the game, here, above the game. Just ran the cart with that wipe of the game, here, somebody with a 90. Well, they get $90,000, but they get 90. White with the give guy, beautiful tractor, 60, 65. I get 60, but they get 5, but they get 5, but they get 5, but they get 5, but they get 5. Give me 5, but they get 5, but they get 5. I'm being 60, but they get 65. Thank you. Now 70. Now $70,000, but they get 70, but they get 70, but they get 70. I get 65, but they get $70,000. We get 70, but they get 70. Hardly any hours, guy, but they get 70,000. I get 65, but I get 70, but I get 70, but I get 70, but I get 70. Pre-def, I get 65, but I get 70. I get 65, but I get $70,000, but I get 70, but I get 70, but I get 70. How about 67.5? 67.5, guys. There's a tractor well worth the money. Now 70. Now $70,000 Deere. We get 78, 9, 69, 69. Give me 9. Now 70. Now 70, sir. But I get 70, but I get 70, but I get 70. Now 1. I got 70, but I get 71. I'm being 70, but they get 70 bomb with the bomb. Still worth the money, but they get 72. 72, but they get 2, but they get 2, but they get 2. 70 bomb, but they get 2. I'm being 70 bomb with the bomb. 2, but they get 2, but they get 2, but they get 2. Now 72. I get 72, 3, but they get 3, but they get 73. I get 72, but they get 73,000. For Eric, but they get 74. 74, 75. 75, but they get 5, but they get 5, but they get 5, but they get 5. You want to be 75? I'm being 74 and 75. He brought it in to get a check. I get 74, but I get 75. But I get 5 into the yellow. I get 74, but I get $75,000, but I get 75,000. 75,000. Gotta go. Dean with a bit 5, with a bit 5. 74,500. 75,000. 75,000. 75,000.
Yes.
75,500. 75,500, but I get 5, but I get 5, but I get 5. Well, thank you. Anything else is 75,500, but I get 5. Gotta go. 75,500. Here we go. Deal with it at 75,500. Sold. Eric, your bidder right there. 75,000.
319.
319. Thank you both. You too, sir, in black. Hey, looky here. Boy, you are. That thing is beautiful.
Go check it out.
New 50,000. What did they give? Somebody with a 20? How much here? What would they give? 20. $20,000 Deere. What would they give? $20,000. What would they give? 20. What would they give? 20. How much here? What would they give? 15. 15. What would they give? $15,000. What would they give? 15. What would they give? 15. What would they give, guys? You tell me. 8, 9. I'm being Deere. What would they get? $9,000 Deere. What would they get? 9, 10. 10, 10. What would they get? 10. What would they get? 10. What would they get? 10. 9. What would they get? 10. I get 10 and 11. What would they get? 11. What would they get? I got 11 over here. Get it 12, right? 11. What would they get? 12. 12. What would they get? 12 down. 13. What would they get? 13. What would they get? 14. What would they get? 14. What would they get? 14. 14. What would they get? 15. What would they get? 16. What would they get? 16. What would they get? 16. I'm being 15. What would they get? 16. 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 You're out over here. Now 17. Now 17. I get 17. What would they get? 18. 18. What would they get? 18. What would they get? 18. What would they get? 19. 19. What would they get? 19. What would they get? 19. She's beautiful. 19,000. I get 18. What would they get? 19. 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 Does he want to get 5, Raj? 18, 5. 18. What would they get? 5. 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 Now 19. What would they get? 19. 85. What would they get? 19. 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 Anything else? Give $19,000. 19,000. Sold 18.5. You're saving a bunch of money. 18.5.
All right, this row here is Jim Huffman. He's been our customer. His dad was our customer forever, and he's decided to retire. So here's his 4440. Everything else down this line, it's not his grain cart, but everything pretty much along this line here will be Jim's. Then we got to go down to the road, back up the tractors, and out in the west field here yet. There you go.
Hey, pretty good looking 4440. One of the game here, above the 40. How much here above the $40,000 deer, with the 40, with the 40, with the 40, above the 30. 30,000. I got 20, 22.5. Yep, 5,800 hours on it. 22.5. 25. 25 over the now 7.5. 27.5. 27.5 down 30 with a 30 with a 30. I get 7.5 with a $30,000 deer with a 30 with a 30 with a 30. I get 27.5 with a $30,000 with a 30 with a 30 with a 30. 27.5 with a $30,000 with a 30 with a 30 with a 30. 29, 28, give 9, 29. 29 with a 9, now with a 9, now 29 down 30 with a 30 with a 31. I'm being 30 with a 31, with a 30 with a 31. Now 32. I'm being 31 with a ball 32 with a 2 with a 2 with a 32. They're getting all hard to find these nice, good, clean ones. 32, 32. Had a good home. 31 with a 32, 2 with a 2 with a 2 with a 32. I'm a 31 with a ball 2 bid. 31 5. 32, 32, 32,000. 32, 32.5. I'm being 32 with a 5, over the 5, with a 5, with a 5, over the 5, 32.5. I'm being 32 with a 5, over the 5, with a 5, with a 5, over the 5, 32.5. How about the internet? 32.5. Everything else give 32.5, with a 5, over the 5, 32.5. Yep, when we're done, we are to 32.5. Anybody else? So, Roger your bidder, $32,000. Yeah, we do here. Got a John Deere 350 Sickle mower with a 9-foot bar. One with a game here, above with a $2,000 Deere with a 2, with a 2. Somebody with a 2, above with a 2, with a 2, with a 2, with a 2. Somebody with a 1,000. One with a game here, with a $1,000, with a $1,000, above with a 500, with a 7.5. I get 500, with a 7.5, 7 with a $1,000, with a 1, with a 1. I'm bid 7 with a $1,000 Deere, with a 1, with a $1,000, with a 8. 9, Jim. Now 1,000. Roger. I got a Jim here. 1,011. 10, 11. 10, 11 with a 12. 11 with a 1,200 with a 13. 13 with a 13 with a 13. 1,200 with a 13 with a 13 with a 13. I got 1,200 with a 13. All in here with a 13 with a 13. 1,200 with a 13. So, Roger, your bidder. 1,200. 389. Now we got a AC 1,324-foot field call there. Above the game here, above the $1,000, with a $1,000, above the bomb, over the ball, somebody with a 500. 500 here, with a 5, with a 5, above the 5, above the 500, with a 5. Who gets 5, above the 5, above the 5, got a rumbler, 3-bar drag on above the 500, with a 3. Somebody with a 300 here, with a 13, with a 3. 3, 3, with a 13, with a 3, they got rear hits and hydraulics, 400. I'm being 3 and 4, 4, with a 4, with a 3 and 4. I get 300, with a 400, with a 4, with a 400, with a 4, 400 here now, 500, with a 5 in the back here, with a 506. I get 500, with a 600, with a 600, with a 600, with a 600. I'm being 500, with a 600 braid now, 700, with a 7 in the green, Roger, right in front of that ATV, 700, with a 600 now, 70. I'm being 7 to make a D, with a B, with a B, 700, with a B. I'm being 7 to make a D, with a B, with a B, with a B, with a B, 7 with a B, 800. So, Roger, your bidder, 700.
19.
19, thank you, Eric.
Done.
All right, hey, you got a 220 rolling basket in the back there. 26 foot. Okay, above the deal here. How much here, above the 10. 10, above the 10, 10, above the 10, 10, who get 5? Above the 5, 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 above the 3 and 4. I'm being 3, above the 4, above the 3, 26 foot. I'm being 3, above the $4,000 Deere, above the 4, above the 4. We got?
He's got 3.
4. 4, right?
Yep.
5. I'm being 4, make it 5, above the 5, above the 5,
35.
45, above the 5. 5, above the 5, above the 5, above the 5, above the 5, 5,000. I get 45 with the 5. 45, make it 5 pound down Deere, with the 5, with the 5, up with the 5, give me 7.5. I get 45, with the 47.5, 7 and down 5. Down 5, 52.5, 52.5, with the 2.5. Now 55, now 7.5, 7 with the 5, with the 5, 55, 100, 750, 750 with the else. Sold, Raj, 50, 500.
Let the hide go with the tail.
What's the buyer number?
Let the hide go with the tail. There you go.
There you go. All right, hey, little Farmall A.
Planters.
Farmall A with a belly mower. And wiping the game here, bumping the game here. Somebody with a 2,500. 5 bumping the 5, with a 5, with a 5, bumping the 5. Somebody with a $1,000. Bumping the game with a $1,000. Bumping the 500 with a 7.5. I get 500 with a 7.5. 7 with a $1,000 with a $1 with a $1. I'm being 7 with a $1,000. Hard job with a $1 with a $1. 7 with a $1,000. 8, 9. 900 with a $1,000. Now 1,100. We get 11 with a 11 with a Chalmers with a 13. 1,300. Now 14 with a 14 with a 14 with a 14. I'm being 13 with a 1,400 with a 14. 14 with a 14. I'm being 13 with a 14. Give me 14 with a 14 with a 14. You're out, Roger. I'm being 13 with a 14. Now 15. Give 15, sir. 1,500 with a 15 with a 15 with a 15. She's so nice. 1,500, sir. With a 14 with a 15 with a 15. 16. 16, Brady with a 16, with a 16. I get 15 with a 1,600 with a 1,600 with a 16. Give me 16 with a 16. 1,600. So, Roger, 1,500.
Time's all. 166.
166, thank you. Got a little 370, 12-foot disc here. Got good blades on it, Brian. 2, something with a 1,000. Well, to give it a $1,000, 500, we get 7.5. I get 500, we get 7.5, we get somebody, we get 15, we get 15, 7.5. I get 500, we get 600, here, we get 600, now 700, we get 7, we get 7. 700, you said 7, now 8. I get 7, we get 8, 9. 9, we get $1,000, 1 long, we get $1,000, 1. I get 900, we get $1,000, we get 1,000, we get 1,000, I get 9.5 birds, we get 9.5. I get 9, we get 950. I'm being down to get 950, we get 950 all in here. I'm being down to get 950. So, Virgil 900. Put it on number 56's ticket.
Man, we'd have got it done for him.
Next piece here, got a Dunham 16-foot Harrigator. Above the game here, somebody with a 750. You live at 750, you live at 50, somebody with a 500. Above the game, 5, above the 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 500. 2, 3, I'm being 3 and 4, 4, above the 4, above the 4, 3, 4. I get 300, above the 400, above the 4, above the 4, 3.5, 4. 400 now, half, above the 5, now 50. I get Dylan at 4, 4, 50, 50, 5, 500, above the 5, 5.5. I get 5, 5.5, 5, yeah, that's it. I get 500, above the 5.5. I'm being 5, 5, 50, 50, above the 5, 550, 550 here. Sold on the internet. 500 Brayton. 50, 150 buys. Got a little Brillion 5 Shank disc ripper. One of the game here, above the 35. 35, above the 5, 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 somebody with a 2. $2,000 there, above the 2, with the 2, one you give, Cody with the 2, with the 2,000. Down below, above the $1,000, with the 500, again, 7.5. I get 7 with the $1,000, Cody with the $1,000, 1 month with the 12.5. I'm a 2 to get all 50. 12.5 with the 1,500, with the 15, with the 17.5. I get 15 with the 17.5, with the now 17.50. 16, 17, 17, with the 16, with the 17, 18. I'll be at 19, we give 19, with the 19, with the 19. I'm being 18, with the 19, 19, with the 1900, with the 19, with the 19, in the deal. Give 1,900. Sold 1,800. 203. 303. Hey, look at this skid loader here. 753 Bobcat. This is the best one they made right here. $2,700 on it. Kubota diesel. Nice skid loader. $2,700 on it. What would they give? Somebody would get 15.
15.
15. What would they get 15? 15. What would they get 15? Well, 7 with the 8. I'm being $8,000. Here with the 8. 8 with the 8. 8 with the 8. 7 with the 8. I'm being 8. Give me 9. Now 9 with the 9. 9 with the 9. Now 10. Roger with the 10. 10 with the 10. I'm being 10, give me 11, with the 11. I'm being 10, give me 11 pound dollar deer, with the 10 down, 11, with the 11, with the 11. I'm being 10, we get 11, with the 11, 10 5 down, 11, Roger, with the 11. I'm being 10, 5, we get 11, with the 11, with the 11, with the 11, with the 11. 10 7 hand, give me 11. Give me 11 pound dollar deer, we get 11, with the 11, with the 11. 10 7, with the 11. I'm being 10 7, with the 11 pound dollar deer, we get 11, with the 11, with the 11. 11 pound dollar deer, we get 11, she's pretty clean, guy, 11, with the 11. I'm being 10 7, with the 11 pound dollar deer, 11, with the 11, with the 11. Everything else, give me 11,000. $11,000, guys. Sold, Roger, 10 750. Just 18?
Yes.
Thank you, 18. Ain't got a plow. That's a plow in the back, is it? Back
Yep.
there?
Yep. 720.
I told him that when he dropped them off. You don't know.
Two guys.
Back plowing, Jeff?
I got a couple of turkeys I got plowed. Two. How much?
2.5.
Was John all good with that dig for me?
I stopped there that morning and he wasn't there, so I thought this one.
It wasn't even in his field, really.
Exactly. Yeah.
Three, give me 3. Sold, 275, 303. Hey, looky here, got a zone builder. Your 125 tanker. Look at the game there, above the 10, 10, above the 10, 10, above the 10, 6. I'm being 5, with a $6 deer, $6 deer, 16, 7. I'm being 6, with a 7, now 8. I'm being 7, with a 8, with a 8, with a 8, something with a 8. I'm being 7, with a 75, 8, virtual 8,000. I get 75, $8 deer. I got 75 there, give me 8. I'm being 6, over the 5, with a 5, with a 5, over the 5, Grimsley, 85, 85, over the 5, 9, give it 9, 9, 85, 89, 7 hands, give it 9, now 9, now 9, give it 9, give it 9, give it 9, now 9, 87, give it 9, now take it a hand, now 5, 95, over the 5, over the 5, 9,500, I'm being 6 hands, give it 95, over the 5, give it 5, give it 5, over the 5, give it 5, 92 hands, give it 95, all in there, 95, give it 5,
95.
Yeah.
7.5, 97.5, thanks Graham, 97.5, 95, 750, 97.50, what did your internet say there, Brady? 97.5, sold Virgil's bidder, 9,500. Put it on number 378, 378 buys that one. Hey, got a little wagon here. A little double R wagon. All right, bubble the five, great, bubble the five, bubble the five, bubble the five, bubble the five, bubble the five. Somebody bubble the 2,000, 1,500. I get $1,000, bubble the 15, bubble the 15, bubble the 15, bubble the 15, bubble the $2,000 deer, bubble the 2, bubble the 25. I get figure, bubble the 25, bubble the 5, bubble the 5, bubble the 5, 2, bubble the 5, 25, 40, bubble the 5, 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 2,500. I'm being 6, bubble the 5, bubble the 5, bubble the 5, bubble the 5, bubble the 5. I'm being 22. 25, keep for sale, ladies and gentlemen, with the 25. I did 2 hands with the 5, with the 5, with the 5, take a 5, with the 5, 25, anything else? Sold, Roger, 22.50. 391.
I gotta move here.
Hey, looky here, got a 7-foot Woods mower here. 540 PTO, up the game figures up to 25. 25, up to 500, up to 500, 1,000. I get 500, $1,000, 15, I get 15, 15, Eric. I'm being told, hey, 1,500, 1,500, 17.5. I get 15, 17.5. 17.5. She's a 7-footer now. 17.50. I get 15 with a 17. I have to buy 1,600. I'm being 15 with a 16, with a 16, with a 16, with a 16. I'm being 15 with a 1,600 all in here, with a 16, with a 16. Gotta go, guys, with a 1,600, with a 16, got up on it 16. Sold 1,500, Eric. 339 buys that one. Thank you very much. Got a little Buhler blade here. 9-foot heavy duty. Adjustables, got shoes on it. Like brand for new. All right, well, the game bears only with the 35. 5 over the 5, with the 5, with the 5 over the 5. Hardly ever used it. Aaron says just sat in the shed. All right, over the 25. Over the 5, over the 5, with the 5, with the 5, over the 5, 2, 22 and a half. 22 and a half, with the 5, with the 15, with the 15, with the 2 and a half, 5. All the hydraulics got the shoes. I got 22 and a half, with the 500. 25, with the 7 and a half, with the 7 and a half, with the $3,000 D, with the 3 D, with the 3. 32 and a half, 2 with the 5, with the 35, with the 5, with the 5. I'm being 32 and a half, with the 35, with the 5, with the 5, over the 5, with the 5, with the 5. I'm being 32 and 50, with the 35, over the 5, and the else is 3,500. The bid's with me. I'm being 32 and 50, with the 35, 35. Yes, it is 9'2". 35 over the 5, with the 5, with the 5. Roger. I'm being 2 and 8, with the 35. Sold right there, Roger. You're looking at 32.50. 218 buys.
All ready to rock and roll?
Hey, look at this cute little new idea for the spreader here. Little 217. All right, over the 35. 35 over the 5, 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 over the $1,000, over the 15. I bid $1,000, over the 1,500, over the 15, with the $2,000, over the 2, with the 2, with the 2. I bid 1,500, over the 2,000, 1750, with the 2, Eric. 1750 with the 2. Now 2, now 2, 2 with the 2, 2 with the 2, 2 with the 2, with the 2. 1750 with the 2. Now 2, Eric, with the 2, 2 with the 2. Worth the money with the 2. Go to you 18 and a half, Eric. 1850, 1850 with the 1950, 1950 with the 50, with the 1950, 1850 with the 1950 here, with the 50 with the 50, with the 50, anybody else? 1950 here, anybody else? Gotta go with the 50 with the 50, with the 50, 1950. So, Eric, 1850, your bidder. 94, 94. Hey, look at this soil finisher here, ladies and gentlemen. He's a teaching one here. Case IH, 28-footer, and what did get figure? What did get 25? What did get 5? What did get 5? What did get 5? What did get 5? Somebody would get 25. What did get 10? 15? 15. What would get figure? What did get 75? 10. I'm being 75 with a ball 10. What did get 10? What did get 10? What did get 10? 75. What did get 10? I'm being 75 with a ball 10. 10. What did get 10?
New tires.
Now 10. Turn around. Roger. What did get 10? What did get 10? Turn around. Roger. What did get 10? 10. 10. What did get 10? What did get 10? 75. 100. What did get 10? I'm being 75 with a ball 10. 10. What did get 85? 75 with 85. What did get 95? 95 over the 5, with the 5, with the 5, over the 5, no 10, 10, 95 with the 10. I get 95 with the 10, with the 10, with the 10, with the 10, no 5 over the 5, with the 5. I'm being 10, with the 5, with the 5, over the 5, 11, with the 11, with the 11. I'm being 10, 5, give me 11, with the 11. I'm being 10, 5, with the 11, with the 11, with the 11, with the 11. 10, 5, with the 11, anybody else? $11,000, Deere, 11, with the 11. Perfect, 10, 5, get a little bit more late, gentlemen, 10, 5. Hey, over here, got a little 21-foot IH 490 disc, 7.5-inch spacing. What did they get here? What did they get $5,000? What did they get 5? What did they get 5? What did they get 5? Somebody, what did they get 3? 3, 3, what did they get 3? 3, what did they get 3? Yeah, look at the blades on it. What did they get 2 and 25? I'm at 2 big, what did they get 25? What did they get 5? What did they get 5? What did they get 25? What did they get 3? 3, what did they get 3? I'm being 20, what did they get 3? What did they get 35? I get 3, what did they get 35? 4, what did they get 4? What did they get 4? What did they get 35? What did they get 4? Down 5. 45, what did they get 5? What did they get 5? What did they get 5? What did they get 45? I get 4 grand, what did they get 4,500? 45, what did they get 5? What did they get 2 and a half? 42 and a half? 42, what did they get 5? I get 2 and a half, what did they get 5? Now 7 and a half, 47 and a half. I'm $5,000, what did they get 5? 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 Now 52 and a half. Now 55, what did they get 5? What did they get 5? What did they get 5? 5,500. 2 and a half, what did they get 5? What did they get 5? What did they get 55? What did they get 5? What did they get 5? What did they get 5? Make it 5. Now 57 and a half, what did they get $6,000? Now 6 here, what did they get $6,000? Dave, what did they get 6 here? What did they get 6? I'm in 57, what did they get $6,000? Anybody else give $6,000? Dave, what did they get 6 here? All in.
I was there last time.
Sold 57.50 on 381.
Yeah.
Hang a nice little flatbed wagon with a John Deere gear. What would they get? What would they get $1,000? What would they get $1,000? What would they get 300? What would they get 4? I'm being 3. What would they get 4? Now 5. What would they get 3 and a half? What would they get 400? Here, what would they get 500? 500, everything is 600, everything is 600, everything is 600, everything is 600, everything is 600. I'm being 500, everything is 600, now 700, everything is 7, everything is 7, everything is 7. I'm being 600, everything is 700, 700, everything is 600, now, yeah, the gear alone bring that, 6.5. I'm being 600, everything is 5, everything is 15, now 700, now 7, everything is 7, everything is 7, everything is 7, everything is 700, everything is 7, now 700, here, now half, everything is 7.5. I'm being 7, everything is 50, everything is 7.5.
That's fine.
7.5. I'm being 7. He was your man.
Inside the ashtray.
Okay, you're at 6
I'll leave it out until you guys
don't bid when it's not your turn, okay? 700, 700 here, we get 675, 7, now 7, now quarter, everybody get 7 a quarter. I'm being 7, everybody get 25, 5, everybody get 5, everybody get 5, everybody get 5, all in here, everybody get 7 a quarter. I'm being 7, everybody get 25, everybody get 5, here we go, deal, everybody get 7 a quarter. Sold, 700, sold at 700, 41, 41, 700 is the price. Hey, sell this nice little green one here. John Deere gear, yeah, all right. Well, they give it $1,000, they give it $1,000, well, they give it 3, 4. I get 3, 4, they get 500, now 600, they get 600, now 7. Now 7, they get 800, they get 900, 9, they get 1,000, 700, now 12, they get 13, 13, they get 14, 14, they get 15, they get 16, they get 16, they get 16, they get 16, they get 17. Now 1700, they get 16, they get 17, 17, they get 18, 18, 18, they get 18, 1800. Give me 18, 18, but give me 19, but get 19, but get 19, 1900. I'm being 18, 19, 19, anybody else? 1900. So, Brian, your way, 1800. 119. 119, 119.
Hey, Ryse.
Yeah, it is. Hey, look at this 385 Killbros here with a 13-ton gear, cement mixer, tires, and a tire. Wave it again, fair, above it, give it a 10, 10, above it, give it a 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 5 grand, above it, give 55. I'm being 5, above it, give 55, 5, above it, give 5, above it, give 5, above it, 5, above it, give 55, above it, 5. I can 5 grand, above it, give 55, above it, now $6,000 here, now 5 grand, I got 6 here, 5. I'm being 6 here, above it, give 65, 5, above it, give 5, now 7, above it, give 7, above it, give 7. I'm being 65 at the bottom, 7, now 7. I'm being 65 at the bottom, 7. There's a wagon full with the money, above it, 7, now 7. I'm being 65 at the bottom, 7 grand, but they get 7, but they get 7, 7, 65, but they get 7. I'm being 65 at the bottom, $7,000 here, but they get 7, well, they get 67 and a half. You, well, they get 67 and a half. 6,500, but they get 67 and a half, but they get 5, 65, but they get 67 and a half. Anybody else? ML? Sold. 65 your way, Brian. 6,500. 244. 244. Hey, look at this 397 now we're talking to you about with a 12-ton gear, light and truck tires, like new, or it is brand new. All right, well, a little bit faded, guys, but she is brand new. Well, they give it a 10, 10, well, they give it a 10, well, they give it a 10, 10, well, they give it a 10, 10, well, they give it a 5, 6. I'm being 5, but they get $6,000 here, but they get 16, but they get $6,000, but they get $6,000. I'm being 5, but they get $6,000 here, but they get 6, guys. What's brand new on that cost? Harrow? 12, 55. I get 5, but I get 55. I'll get 5, but I get 5, but I get 5. I'll get 5. Give me 5,500. I'm being 5, but I get 55. I'll get 5, but I get 5, but I get 5. I'll get 5. Don't quit on me now. But I get 55 and 5. I'm being 5 grand, but I get 55. I'll get 5, but I get 5, but I get 5. I'll get 5, but I get 5,500. I'm being 5, but I get 55. 5, but I get 5, but I get 5. I'll get 5, but I get 55. I'm being here in 5, but I get 55. I'll get 5, but I get 5, but I get 5. Anybody want to get 52 and a half? I get 5, but I get 52 and a half. Here, but I get 2 and a half, 2 and a half. I get 5, but I get 52 and a half, but I get 2 and a half, 52 and a half. Pull up, $5,000. Hey, at 28 foot, 490 here, guys. 7.5 inch spacings. All right, above the gift. 19 inch blades on the front here. Above the gift, 85. 85, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 85, above the gift, 85, above the gift, 5. Who get 5? Above the gift, 3 and 35. I get 3, above the gift, 35, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 5, something, above the gift, 3,500. I'm being 3, above the gift, 35, above the 5, above the 5, above the 5, down 35, above the gift, 5. I get 3, above the gift, 35, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 5, something, above the gift, 3,500. I'm being 3 and 35, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 5, above the gift, 3, above the gift, 35. Anybody want to get 3,500? 35. Over the goodbye, better get 5, better get 5, over the goodbye, 3, better get 35. Your way, guys, $3,000. Pull up.
MFWD Prairie Clipper here.
Hey, got an M&W Prairie Clipper. All right, above the game here. Looks like 15 foot. Looks like a good one. All right, above the give 85. Above the goodbye, better get 5, better get 5, above the goodbye, 4, 45. I get 4, better get 4,500. I'm bid 4, better get 45. Now 5, above the goodbye, better get 5 grand, better get 5, above the goodbye, here, give me 5. Now 57 and a half, better get $5,000. Deere, better get 5, better get 5, above the goodbye, give me 5. 52 and a half, Eric. I'm bid 52 and a half, do that. Now 55, above the goodbye, better get 55, better get 5. I'm bid 2 and a half, better get 55, above the goodbye, give me 5, better get 5, better get 5. 53, 4. I get 54. Eric, better get 4, better get 4, 54. I'm being 300, better get 54. Better get 4, yeah, 540 PTO, 4, 5, 55, gentlemen. Now 6, 56. I get 55, better get 5600, better get 600. Come from a good home, 5,700. Now 700, better get 57, better get 7, better get 7. 57, better get 8, better get 8, better get 8. Still cheap, better get 58, 59, 59. Give 9, better get 99, 59, better get 9. Now 6. Now 62 and a half. I get 60 here, but I get 62 and a half. 2 and a half, but I get 62 and a half. 65, but I get 5, but I get 5, 65. 65 here, but I get 500, but I get 65, but I get 5, but I get 5. Still worth the money, but I get 65, 7 and a half. I get 65, but I get 67 and a half. Sold 6,500. 94. Hey, got a good heavy duty woods blade. All right, 8-footer. Bob, they give it 500. 500 here, but they get 500, but they get 5, but they get 5, Bob, they get 5, Bob, they get 2 and 3. I'm being 200, but they get 300 here, but they get 300, but they get 3, but they get 4, but they get 4. I'm being 3 and 4, but they get 4, 3 and a half, 4, but they get 400, but they get 4 and a half. I'm being 4, 50, but they get 50, but they get 4 and a half, 4 and a half, but they get 5. 500, but they get 5, but they get 5, but they get 5, 5 and a half, 5 and a half, but they get 50, but they get 50. I get 500, but they get 550. Sold 500. Put it on number 94 again. How about this little 235? It looks like a cute little list, guys. Look at the big blade. All right, Bob, they get 65. Who gets 65? Bob, they get somebody, but they get 3. I'm being 50, 100, but they get 2. Down 2, but they get 2, but they get 2, but they get 2. Down 5, but they get 20, but they get 5. I get 2 grand, but they get 25, 5, but they get 5, but they get 5, but they get 25, but they get 5. I get 2 grand, but they get 2,500. 2,500, but they get 500, but they get 25, but they get 5, but they get 5, but they get 5. Come on, guys, you're missing the boat here. 22.50. I'm being 2, but they get 22, 50, but they get 50, but they get 50, but they get 50. But they get 22 and a half. I'm 5, but they get 25, but they get 5, but they get 5, but they get 5. I'm being 2 and a half, but they get 25, but they get 5, but they get 5, but they get 5. You gotta do that? I got 22 and a half, but they get 5, but they get 5, but they get 5. I got 22 and a half in the back. Your man's out. 2,500. 25, yes I do. I'm being 2 and a half with the ball, 5, but they get 5. There's a disc worth of money, guys. 2,500. 2,500. 22, but they get 5, 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 but they get 25. You're looking at it, Brian. I'm being 2 and a half, but they get 500. Sold, Brian. 22.50. 130. All right, hey, got a little water wagon here with a pump. All right, Bubba the game, figure something, but they get 25, Bubba they get 5, Bubba they get 5, but they get 5, but they get 5, Bubba they get 5, Bubba they get 1,500, 1,500, but they get 15, but they get 15, Bubba they get 15, but they get 15. Somebody, but they get $1,000, Bubba they get $1,000, but they get bomb, but they get bomb, Bubba the bomb, somebody, but they get 1,000. Bubba they get $1,000, Deere, but they get $1,000, Bubba they get $1,000, Deere, but they get 500. 2, 3. I'm being 2 and 3, 3. You get 2, but they get 3, 3. Down 4, but they get 4, but they get 400, but they get 400, but they get 4. I'm being 3 and 4, 4, but they get 4 and 5, but they get 5, but they get 5. 4 I might give 5. 500. Internet. I got 4 on the ground. Give 5. Give 5. Give 500, but they get 5, 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 but they get 5. How about 4 and a half? I get 4, 15, but they get 15, but they get 4 and a half, 4 and a half. Here you go. I get 450, down 500, but they get 5, but they get 5. 500, but they get 500, but they get 500. 450, but they get 5. You get 475, Mike. Sold 450 on the internet. 5281 buys that one. Hey, looking for a bush hog 9-chain disc chisel. Back behind the grain car. All right, Bubba the Game here. How much here? Bubba the Game, 25, Bubba the Game, 5, Bubba the Game, 1,000. Somebody with a $1,000, Bubba the Game, $1,000, Bubba the bomb, somebody with a $1,000, ML, Bubba the Game, $1,000, with a $1,000, ML, look at here. $1,000, Bubba the Game, $1,000, with a $1,000, Bubba the Game, $750. Somebody with a 7.5, somebody with a $7.5, somebody with a $750. 9 shank dish chisel, look at that. Harrow back, 200, with a 3. I'm being 2, with a 3, bam, with a 3, 2, with a 3, with a 3, got a little larceny hard, with a 2 and 3. I'm being 2, with a 300, with a 300, with a 3, with a 4, 4, with a 4. I'm being 300, with a 400, with a 4. Help me, Mike, I get 3 and 4. I'm being 400, 3.5, now 400 here and there, with a 4, with a 4. 400 here and there, now 50, with a 50, with a 4.5 ml. I get 400, with a 50, with a 50, with a 4.5, 4.5, with a 50, with a 50, with a 450. That make money in the absolute roll, Mike. 450, 500, 500 proxy. 500, with a 5, with a 5, with a 5, with a 5, down 5, down 5, down half, 5.5, 5, with a 5, with a 5. Thanks, Roy, you're done. Sold on the internet, 500, 5208. Is that going to Navarre? No. All right, so this wagon here, Bubba the Give, 500, with a 5, with a 5, Bubba the 5, somebody with a 100. Bubba the Game here, with a $100, with a bomb, with a bomb, Bubba the Give, 100. One bomb, Bubba somebody with a 100. Somebody with a 100, with a bomb, with a bomb, with a $50 for that flatbed wagon. 50, 75, 75, Bubba the Game, with a 50, with a 75, 75, 75. I get 50 with a 75, Bubba the Game, that's a bid, ML, with a 75, Bubba the Game, 50 with a 75, 75. Sold on the internet, $50. 5202. Hey, got a good looking IH 45 Viper Shank here. Boy, with the game, Bubba the Give, $1,000. $1,000, with a $1,000, Bubba the Give, 500. 500 here, with a 5, Bubba the Give, with a 5, with a 5. 5, Bubba the Give, with a 5, with a 5, Bubba the Give, something with a 500. 500 deep with a 5, 2.5 with a 300. I'm being 2.5 with a 3 big with a 3, 3 with a 3 with a 3 with a 3, 2.5 with a 3. I'm being 2.5 with a $300, 3.5, 3.5 with a 5, 350. I'm being 3, 350 with a 4. Now 4 CD with a 4 with a 4. 400 here with a 4.5, 4.5 with a 50 with a 50 with a 450. I'm being 500 with a 5 with a 5 with a 475. 475, I'll get a good look. I get 475. I get 15 minutes at 475. Sold. Internet 450. 5281 buys that one. Hey, got a little Killbros 150 bushel wagon with a J&M gear. What would they give it? 500. 500, Bubba the Give, $5, Bubba the 5, Bubba the 5, Bubba the 5, Bubba the 5, Bubba the Give, 3. $300 Deere, Bubba the 300, Bubba the 3, Bubba the 3, you got 20 some wagons, Mike, Bubba the 3, 3.5. I'm a 3, the 3, 50. I'm being 3, 3, 50, Bubba the 3, Bubba the 3, Bubba the quarter. I'm being 3, 3 and a quarter, Bubba the 25, Bubba the 5, Bubba the 5, Bubba the 50. 350 C, Bubba the 50, now 375, 375 internet. I get 50 with it, 75, Bubba the 5, Bubba the 5, Bubba the 5. I'm being 350 with it, 375, with a 375, over the guy all in, $375. Sold 350. Forgot that number, 303. Just dawned on me. Sell the next J&M here. Wait with the game here, 500. 350. I get 350 with a 4, 450. ML 450 with a 5, 500 with a 5.5, 6. 600 here, Dan, with a 600, 600 here, with a 575, 550 with a 75, 600 birds all with a 600 with a 6. Now quarter, now 25, with a 5, with a 5, with a 5, with a 5, with a 6.5. 50 birds with a 50, with a 50 with a 50, with a 650, 75. Don't heavy internet with a 75, 675, with a 5, with a 5, with a 5, with a 5, 675. Now 700 birds with a 7. The bids right here, 700. 700, we get 7, we get 7. Now quarter, we get 7 a quarter. I'm being 7, we get 25, 5, we get 5, we get 5, we get 5, we get 25, 50. I'm being 25, we get 50, we get 50, we get 750 internet, 750, 720, 50, we get 775, 775, we get 5. Sold, internet, bound 750. 5156. Sell the Killbros with an auger. All right, Bubba, they give it $1,000, Bubba, they get 4 and 5. I get 400, Bubba, they get 5, Bubba, they get 5, Bubba, they get 5, somebody, Bubba, they get 5, Bubba, they get 5, Bubba, they get 500. I get 5, you're in a 4, now 5, now 5, and I get 5, and I get 5. I get 405, and I get 5 and a half, 5 and a half, now 600, Cole, now 600 here, but I get 600, but I get 600 here, but I get 5 and a half, but I get 6. I get 550 with a 600, but I get 600, but I get 600 here, but I get 600 all in. I get 550, 75, 600, 25, 50, 75, 675, sold, 650. Okay, hey, selling international 1300 Sickle mower with a 9-foot bar. Bubba the game here, Bubba the give it 1500, 15, Bubba the give it 1,000. $1,000, Bubba the give it 500, Bubba the 750, $1,000. $1,000 AML, with a bone, with a bone, 70, with a 1,000. $1,000 here, with a 809. 900 here, with a 99, with a 900 here, with a 99, with a 9, with a 1,000. I get 900 with a $1,000 here, with a bone, with a bone, 900 with a 1,000. $1,000 here, with a $1,000, 1 month, with a bone, big bar on it, with a 1,100. I'm being 10, give me 1,100, with a 11, got 11, Brian. 1,100 here, with a 10, half 11. 11 internet, with a 1,100. 11 with a 11, we get 11 with a 11, with a 1,100, 1,100 here, with a 10, 50 with a 1,100. I'm being 10, half, with a 11, with a 11, with a 11. Now 1,100 here, 1,100, 1,100 with a 10, 50 with a 11. Sold 10, 50. What's your buyer number, Brian? 47. Thank you, buyer 47. Hey, got a wood blade. All right, Bubba the give 8 foot with shoes. All right, Bubba the give guy. Hey, got your wings on it there. Bubba the give 1,000. Down dollar, Bubba the give 500. 5, Bubba the buy, Bubba the give 2, 3. I'm being 2 with the 3, with the 3, with the 3, with the 2, 2 bid 3. I'm being 2 with the 3, with the 3, with the 3, with the 3, with the 13, with the 300. I'm being 200 with the $300 deer, with the 2.5, 3. Now 3.5. I get 3 with the 3.5, 4. Now 4, 4 with the 4. Now half. Now 4.5 with the bad. Now 5. Now 500 with the 5 with the 5 over the buy 75 5. 500 with the 5 with the 5 over the buy 475 with the 5. Anybody else? Sold 475 303. Got a J&M 35-foot header wagon. Yep. All right. Bubba the gave it Wyse. All right, Bubba the give it 35, Bubba the give it 5, Bubba the buy, Bubba the 5, Bubba the 5, Bubba the buy 1,502. I'm being 15 with a $2,000 deer, with a 2, with a 2, with a 2, 15 with a 2. I got 50 on Cody with a 2, with a 2, with a 2, 25. I get 2 grand with a 25, with a 5, with a 5, Bubba the buy 2.5. Now 500 with a 25. I'm being 2.5 with a 5, with a 5, Bubba the buy something with a 25 with a 5. I'm being 2.5 with a 25, with a 5, with a 5, Bubba the buy. Are you all in here? 25, Eric. I'm being 2.5 with a 5 with a 3.
You got 25.
I got 22.5. Ask for 25. 27.5. Hunter, 26, 27, 28, 29. Sold 2,800, Hunter. And your number was 212. All right, got the battle boards here. Bubba the give it $1,000, Bubba the $1,000, Bubba the give it $1,000, something Bubba the 500. 5, Bubba the buy, Bubba the 5, Bubba the 5, Bubba the buy. Who get 500? 500, Bubba the give it 5, Bubba the buy, Bubba the 5, Bubba the 5, Bubba the buy. One with the give. 500, Bubba the give 5, Bubba the 5, Bubba the buy 2, 3. I'm being 2 with the 3, 4. I'm being 3 and 4, 4 with the 4, with the 4, 3 with the 4. I'm being 300, make it 400 with the 4, 4 with the 4, with the 3.5. I get 300 with the 50 with the 50 with the 3.5, 3.5. I get 3, 50 with the 50 with the 50 with the 50 with the 3, 350. I'm being 3 with the make it 50 with the 50 with the 3.5 with the bill. Now 4, now 4, 375. Now 4, now 4, now a quarter, but they get 4 and a quarter, they get 25, over the buy, but they get 5, but they get 5, 4 and a quarter, but they get 25, over the buy, yes, yes, now 50, 450, now 450, sold, Cole, your man, 4 and a quarter. Thank you, buyer 47. Got an Eversman's land level here. All right, Bubba, they give it 35, Bubba, they give it 5, Bubba, they buy 12 foot, guys. Just come across the way. Bubba, they give it 35. 35, Bubba, they give it 5, Bubba, they buy, Bubba, they get 5, Bubba, they get 5, 225. I get 2 grand, Bubba, they get 25, Bubba, they buy, Bubba, they get 5, Bubba, they get 5, Bubba, they buy 25, now 3, Bubba, they get 30, Bubba, they get 3. I'm being 20, Bubba, they get 3,000, here, 7.5, 3, 32.5. I get 3, but I get 32.5. But I get 15 with the 50, 32.5. I get 3, 32, 15 with the 50, but I get 32, 50, all done. $32.50.
You're all complete.
Sold to you, sir. $3,000 bid. And your number is 240. Thank you. 240. Hey, look at this 475 disc here. She's a. Hey, that's a sweetheart of a disc. Oh my. What would they give? What would they give? 7,500. 75, what would they give? What would they give? 5, what would they give? What would they give? 25.3. I'm being 20, what would they give? 3, what would they give? 13, what would they give? 3 and 35, what would they give? 5, what would they give? 5, what would they give? 5. I'm being 3, what would they give? 35, what would they give? 5, what would they give? 5, what would they give? 5, now 4. I'm being 35, what would they give? 4, what would they give? 45. I get 4, what would they give? 4,500, what would they give? 5, 2.5, 45, what would they give? 5, what would they give? 5. I get 42, but you would have 500, what would they give? 45, what would they give? 5, what would they give? Yeah, look at that. Big blades. Narrow space, 4,500. I got 2.5 on the net. Give 5, 3, 4, 44. Internet, with a 4, with a 4, with a 4, with a 4, 5. I get 44, with a 4,500, with a 500, with a 45, make it 5. I'm being 44, with a 45, with a 5. Guys, I think you're missing the opportunity here. 45, 45, with a 5, baby bear. You want to get 45, with a 5, with a 5, baby bear. I get 44, with a 4,500, with a 500, with a 5. Sold the disc, 44 on the internet. 118. Hey, and look at this, more here. Got a DS 120.
Come in with that TS 75.
Come in with that New Holland. 118. 118, Virgil. Very, very nice mower. Why would they give you a figure? What would they give? 85. 85. What would they give? 5. What would they give? 5. 85. What would they give? 85. What would they give? 5. What would they give? 5. 85. 85. 85. What would they give? 4. 45. 4,500. I get 4. Give 45. 45. What would they give? You got 4,500. 45. 2.5. What would they give? 5. What would they give? 5. What would they give? Now 7.5. 47. What would they give? 5. $5 Deere, but they get 5, 52.5, 52.5. Nice mower, Virgil. But they get 52.5. I get 5, but they get 52.5. Is that 542, Virgil?
Yes, it is.
540 PTO, 52.5. I get 5, but get 2 Virgils out there, but I get 52.5. But they get 2.5. But they get 5. I'll take 1, 2, 52, 53, 53, 4, 54, 55. 55, I was going to buy, but I get 5, but I get 5, I was going to buy. I believe I would there, Virgil. But I get 55, I was going to buy 56, 5,600, 5,700, 5,700, but I get 7, but I get 7. I'm being 52, but I get 5,700, but I get 7, 5,700. Howard should be here. We could ask him what a new one would be, but I bet it'd be a lot more than that. 5,700 here, but I get 600, but I get 5,700. So, Cole, 5,600, good eye, goodbye.
21.
21.
41?
21.
21. 21. Hey, is this Brent for new? Oh, you only use about once or twice, Aaron says. Little 8-footer. Look at the game. How much? What would they give it? 1,000. Somebody would give 1,000. What would they give it? $1,000. What would they give $1,000? What would they give it? 5, 6. Hydraulic. 5, 6. I get 500, but they get 600, but they get 600, but they get 600, but they get 6. I'm being 5, but they get 600, but they get 600, but they get 600, but they get 600 here, but they get 500, but they get 6. 600. 600, guys. 700. Now 700, Cody, but they get 700, 600, but they get 7. I'm being 600, but they get 700, 700, but they get 600. Now 7, but they get 7. Now 700. I'm being 600, but they get 700. Guys, think of what a new one would be. Oh, man. Yeah, 3 times that. 600, 700. 700. Anybody want to get 650? 600, but I get 50, but I get 50, but I get 50, but I get 50. Eric, want to get 650? 650. I guess we're going to give this one away, Aaron. Sold it. Merry Christmas, Internet. 600. 5281. Virgil. Yep, 5281. Hey, got a Glencoe ditcher back here. Probably going to get 1,500, but I get 50, but I get 15. 15, but I get 1,000. Well, but they get 500, but they get 600. 600 here, but they get 500, but they get 600. Now 700. Now 700. 600, but they get 7. Now 700. Now half. Now 7. Now half. 7.5. But they get 50, but they get 800. 800, but they get 8. 9. Now 9, but they get 9, but they get 9, but they get 9. 8 half. I'm a D, but they get 850, but they get 50, but they get 50, but they get 50. 850. 800 down here, but they get 50, but they get 50, but they get 50, but they get 50. 850. $850 here with the belt. Sold 800. Thank you,
Aaron
310.
got some stuff bought by there. Who?
Hey, you got a 3-point cultivator there. Hold the truck a minute, driver. You got that little upper first perfecta. All right, Bubba, give it $3,000. Here, but get 13, but get 3, 2, but get 3, but get 13, but get 3, 2, but get 3, but get 3, somebody, but get 2. Somebody, but get 2, 2, 2, but get 2. Why, but again, but get 2 grand, but get 2, 2, but get 2, but get 2, but get 2 grand, but get 2. Yeah, got the leveler, roller on the back. 1,500. 1,500. Bubba, give it 15. Tell me there. 100. Bubba, give it 15. 8. That's better than what I had. Result 800. Give 1,000. $1,000. Everything about 12 and a half. 12 and a half. 1250. 11. Everything at 1,200. 1,300. 1,400. 1,500. Everything at 16. 1,600. Everything at 1,700. 1,800. 17. Everything at 18. 18. Everything at 18. Everything at 19. 19. Everything at 9. Half. 19. 1,900, everything at 19, everything at 19, 19, everything at 19, everything at 19, 18, 15, everything at 1,900, 1,900, all done. Sold, 1,850, 6-4.
64. Yep.
Hey, look at this corn head.
920-inch rows.
920-inch rows, that's right. How much? What are you gonna get? Yeah, where would you find one other than here today? And them new parts going with it there, Aaron? Okay. Wave it again. 8,500. 85 above the 5. 85 above the 5. Somebody with the 5,000. $5,000 above the 5 above the 5. You tell me. Somebody with the 3. 3. Above the 3. 3 above the 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 3. Somebody with the 2. Somebody with the 2. 1, 15. I got $1,000 here, got a bit 15, 11, but I get 12 and a half, 15, 1,500, but I get 17 and a half, but I get $2,000, 2 and a half. I'm a 2, but I get 22 and a half, but I get 5, but I get 2 and a half, 2 and a half. I get 2 big, but I get 22 and a half, but I get 5, but I get 5, but I get 250, internet 21. I get 2, but I get 22, 22, but I get 3. 3, but I get 4, but I get 4, now 5, 25, but I get 5, but I get 5, but I get 5, but I get 5, 25. I'm bid 2,400, but I get 500, but I get 25, but I get 5, but I get 5, but I get 5, 25, but I get 500, one more time, but I get 25, 25, but I get 5, what I get half, 24 and a half, 24, but I get 15, but I get 50, 24, 50. So, 2,400, 104. All right, last piece in the sale. All right, above the give it $1,000, above the $1,000, above the give it $1,000, above the give it $1,000, somebody above the $1,000, above the give it $1,000, Deere, above the $1,000, above the give it $405. I get 400, but I get 5, but I get 5, above the 5, thank you, Deere, see, but I get 600, but I get 600. I'm being 5, 5 and a half, 5 and a half, but I get 15, but I get 50, but I get 5, 50, but I get 6 is a bit, 700, 800, internet. I'm being 7 to make it 8, David the Cadet, with the 800, with the Cadet, David the Cadet, David the Cadet. I get a half, 750 internet. I'm being 750 with the Cadet, 800, David the Cadet, David the Cadet, David the Cadet, with the Cadet, 7 half of the Cadet. Now half, 850, 800, but I get $50, but I get 15 with the 50, with the Cadet, 15, now 9. Now 9, give it 9, but I get 9, sold. 850 on the internet, 850, 51, 87.